Oy, JC, alam mo bang iuwi kita yung anak niyan galing sa ibang bansa na Inglesera dito sa probinsya?
Sana maintindihan ko ang salita niya.
O Betty, there's si Sarah. O, kausapin niyo naman.
Hi.
Hi, kamusta ka?
What? I can't understand Tagalog.
Ano ba yan? Hindi niya ako maintindihan.
She said, how are you?
Oh, hello, I'm doing fine now. How about you?
Ano raw?
Sabi niya, kamusta ka rin daw?
Sabihin mo okay lang ako.
She said, she's okay.
Betty at Jersey, kayo muna bahala kay Rai at may pupuntahan pa ako.
Sige po.
Tara, simba tayo.
Tara. Rai, do you want to go inside?
Sure.
Tita.
Why are they doing that? That's our culture. It's called pagmano or your hand is. In the America, the culture is also different. Here in the Philippines.
I'm sorry, Betty and Jersey, if I disrespect your cultural and tradition. I realize that we have different tradition, cultural, and values.